so I can treat you like I used to. I was trying to call you on your phone, but it be hard because we ain't speaking like we used to.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and in today's video we're gonna be installing this V-part wig. Easiest install in your life. No glue, no gel, no lace, like beginner friendly. If you're tired of the lace fronts and you want like a sew-in, but you don't really want a sew-in, this is for you. And if there's any companies watching out there that want to send me one of those wigs, go ahead, okay? So the wig we're using today is a V-part wig. If you're tired of sew-ins, you don't want sew-ins, this is for you. This wig is from my hair collection. You can purchase it right now because I'm rebranding, so my website is under construction. So, but when I do launch it, I'll have the link so you guys can purchase it. So I had a sew-in in the summertime. It is this right here. It was this style, like the cornrows in the front and the sewing in the back. And when I was taking it out, I'm like, yeah, maybe this is not for me, you know. Or I leave out, and then I'm leaving some in the middle and some in on the side. I was kind of scared because my hair is blonde in the front, so I didn't know how like it would blend with it. And I want to leave minimal leave out. I don't want too much leave out either because so I parted my leave out. These right here, it's in the middle. Now I'm gonna braid my hair going back because I'm gonna do like 2 small braids on top. So I braided my whole head down. I don't know if you guys can see. And now I'm gonna put the wig on, you know. I'm gonna undo the clips. They're already undone. And then I'm just gonna clip it to this little braid that I made on top of here. This thing's hard to, okay. Swap this one. And then clip this one. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And same thing. Okay, and then we're just gonna adjust the wig on the sides. Now that we have the wig on, we're gonna take care of our leave out. And I didn't want the hair too full because my natural hair doesn't, you know, well, my hair is full, but it's not crazy full and stuff. I think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna add some wand curls because I'm kind of running late to be somewhere. I'm always running late. holding spray. This spray smells so good. And then I'm gonna comb them out because what did actually I did? I think I leave too much leave out on this side. But I'm not like talking about my hair. So it's not giving. Like at all. I don't understand why my hair won't curl. My hair usually curls. So this is what we're working with. You know, I actually love. I was thinking if I wanted to do like baby hair and stuff, but I don't think I do because I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. But yeah. See, no glue, no gel, easy, very easy. Like, I think this is the easiest install I've ever done my whole life, you know, and I love it. So yeah, if you guys love this video, enjoyed this video, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.